Hello students, today we are going to talk about the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, IPCC, and their latest report, the Synthesis Report. The IPCC is a United Nations-backed scientific body that releases periodic assessments of climate science, which form the basis of global climate action. The Synthesis Report is the last report of the sixth assessment cycle that began in February 2015 and is a non-technical summary of the previous reports aimed at policymakers around the world. The report being finalized by the IPCC is important because it consolidates the findings of 5 reports released since 2018, which cover scientific evidence, impacts and vulnerabilities, mitigation options, and feasibility of limiting global temperature rise to 1.5 degrees Celsius. Climate change is causing extreme weather events, hurting populations and breaking temperature records. According to the World Meteorological Organization, average temperatures have risen more than 1.2 degrees Celsius from pre-industrial times, and we may breach the 1.5 degree threshold within the next 5 years. Therefore, the Synthesis Report is expected to emphasize meeting the 1.5 degree Celsius threshold as the main global goal, unlike the Paris Agreement, which seeks to restrict temperature rise to below 2 degrees Celsius. The report is crucial as it highlights the most comprehensive understanding of the Earth's climate system. Finalizing the Synthesis Report is expected to be a complicated process as authors need to consider the concerns of governments and civil society groups. The report's language and emphasis on certain phrases may be subject to debate, similar to negotiations at annual climate conferences. Following the report's release on March 20th, a ministerial-level meeting in Copenhagen will discuss implementing decisions from last year's climate meeting, particularly the creation of a fund to help countries affected by climate-related disasters. The ongoing attention on climate change is expected as it has already impacted people. India recently experienced its hottest February ever recorded, and many parts of the country continue to face abnormally high temperatures. This is a trend seen in many other regions globally, and 2023 is projected to be one of the hottest years on record. Despite warnings of a potential disaster, countries have failed to take sufficient action to meet the 2 degrees Celsius target, including a lack of agreement to phase out fossil fuels. The Synthesis Report and other meetings related to climate change, such as the UN 2023 Water Conference and G20 meetings, are intended to create momentum for more ambitious climate agreements at this year's conference in Dubai. In conclusion, the Synthesis Report and the discussions around it are crucial as they highlight the most comprehensive understanding of the Earth's climate system and the actions that should be taken to avoid the worst impacts. It is up to us as individuals and governments to take action and prevent catastrophic climate change. Thank you for listening, and we hope that you found this information useful. See you in the next video.